Bluey woke up one morning with heavy clouds rolling across the sky and the sound of thunder echoing far away, but instead of being afraid she felt a strange excitement building in her chest as if the storm was calling her name. She jumped out of bed, her paws racing across the floor, shouting for Bingo to come quick because something was about to happen that they could never forget. Bingo ran in, rubbing her sleepy eyes, asking what's going on, and Bluey pointed out the window at the dark swirling sky, whispering that maybe today was the day they discovered real adventure. The sisters rushed outside as the wind picked up, whipping their fur and bending the tall trees around them, and suddenly a flash of lightning revealed a glowing path across the garden. Bluey gasped so loud that Bingo's ears shot straight up, and she shouted, "Do you see that glowing trail? It's leading us somewhere." Bingo clutched her paw tightly, nervous but curious, and together they followed the light as the storm rumbled louder above. Each step felt heavier, each breath sharper, but their determination grew stronger with every crack of thunder. Soon the glowing path carried them beyond the fence, into a meadow they had never seen before, where rain began to pour in heavy sheets, soaking their fur but fueling their excitement even more. Bluey laughed wildly, spinning with joy in the rain, while Bingo yelled for her to slow down before they slipped, but nothing could stop them now. Suddenly the path ended at a giant stone arch glowing with strange symbols, and both sisters froze, their eyes wide, their hearts hammering with equal parts fear and wonder. Bluey whispered, "What if this is a doorway to another world?" And Bingo answered firmly, "Then we have to be brave enough to step inside together." They looked at each other one last time, then with a deep breath they crossed the glowing arch, and in an instant the storm faded behind them, replaced by a sky of endless stars stretching farther than they could imagine. Strange floating islands drifted across the heavens, shimmering with waterfalls of light, and creatures with wings of fire circled above in dazzling patterns. Bluey shouted with pure amazement while Bingo clapped her paws, laughing and crying all at once, because they both knew they had found the adventure of their lives. And if you want to keep exploring these incredible worlds with Bluey and Bingo, don't forget to like this story, subscribe for more adventures, and thank you so much for being part of the journey with us.